When using electronic devices, many of us have experienced discomfort, especially after staring at a screen for a long time. But what really causes eye discomfort is blue light emitted from a screen. In general, screens of electronic products emit blue light in a wavelength range of 400 to 500 nanometers. Generally speaking, the most harmful blue light to human eye is short-wave blue light within 415 to 455 nanometers. Short wavelength blue light causes eye fatigue because the focal point does not fall on but in front of the retina. Our eye muscles will unconsciously strain the crystalline lens to see the object clearly, and it is because of the tension that we suffer from eye fatigue. In addition, short-wave blue light has high energy and can penetrate deeper into our eyes, which can damage photoreceptor cells on the retina and harm the iris. Nowadays, smart devices are used by adults and children alike, whether for work, study, or leisure, and on average we spend 10 hours every day looking at a screen. In some ways, it's difficult to not look at a screen and rest our eyes, or even maintain a safer viewing distance from the screen. Consequently, blue light can have a long-lasting impact on our eyes. That's why there's a need for products to provide anti-blue light eye protection, which would be undoubtedly beneficial for everyone, especially for workers and students. Today, we're going to test Huawei IdeaHub board, a hardware-based anti-blue light product. Within the certification standard of the low blue light hardware solution issued by the authoritative organization TÜV Rheinland in 2020, we will test the anti-blue light performance of the IdeaHub board. While this third-party certification also covers the color performance requirements of the low blue light, we'll test only the requirements of the low blue light. To conduct a rigorous experiment, we use Konica Minolta CS2000A spectroradiometer for high-precision display measurement. The test is as follows. First, open a standard white page on Huawei IdeaHub board. Then focus on the measuring instrument on the Huawei IdeaHub board screen and adjust the distance and angle between the screen and the instrument. In the darkroom, we measure the radiant energy of different wavelengths under different brightness and obtain the spectrum. The low blue light hardware solution states that the ratio of the light in the range from 415 to 455 nanometers compared to 400 to 500 nanometers should be less than 50%. The spectrum data measured by the instrument shows Huawei IdeaHub board meets all requirements of the low blue light certification formula in different brightness. We are pleased to announce that Huawei IdeaHub board is capable of preventing blue light. Now, Munan will demonstrate the test to filter blue light. Here we have a common blue light laser pen. When the blue light is emitted through the eyeglasses lens, the lens filters out the blue light, preventing any blue light from reaching the card, indicating that the glasses have blue light filtering capability. Similarly, in another test, we set the Huawei IdeaHub board and another screen to white background and to the highest brightness. When we compare using the anti-blue light glasses, the Huawei IdeaHub board is still white, but other screen has a clear yellow tint. There is a noticeable difference between the screens. So, how does this work? This is Huawei spectrum migration technology, which moves the harmful blue light with wavelengths of 415 to 455 nanometers to between 455 and 500 nanometers. Without sacrificing on the image quality, it eliminates color cast and reduces the damage to the eyes. The Huawei IdeaHub board integrates the optical anti-blue light screen with spectrum migration technology, providing more reliable and secure protection and visual effect over conventional software-based anti-blue light models. In addition, Huawei IdeaHub board is certified by TÜV Rheinland, an authoritative institution that provides strict eye comfort certification on screens. In terms of the low blue light, eye health, and eye comfort. Screens accredited with 2 Green Line certification indicate that it has passed strict testing and is compliant with related security regulations. So, this is Huawei IdeaHub board, a collaboration product that focuses on user health.